I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the caption sources and why that matters. Consistent formats make merging predictable. Once you have your SRT or VTT files, make a backup copy so you can revert if needed. Open Caption Combiner and import the primary track first. This anchors timing and style defaults. Then import the secondary captions. This orders layers and reduces conflicts. Make sure your project frame rate and language metadata match, because mismatches change timing and display later. Once the files are loaded, align the timings using the timeline and audio waveform so captions follow speech naturally. Use small adjustments 0.5 seconds or less, rather than large jumps because viewers notice drift. Next, choose a merge mode. Merge for combined lines, overwrite to replace, or side-by-side to keep both. When captions overlap, resolve by trimming, shifting, or stacking with speaker labels. This keeps readability. Also, normalize line length and ensure 16:9 layout won't force unexpected wraps. You finish by exporting the combined captions in the desired format. Choose SRT or VTT and set UTF-8 encoding for special characters. Then test playback in several players and on mobile to verify sync, line breaks, and positioning. If you spot drift, apply a global offset or reopen the segment and realign those captions precisely. One key troubleshooting tip: if captions disappear, check encoding and track priority. Re-import with proper language tags and the correct merge mode to restore visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.